Hi, this is Sonal Pandey, and in this video, we are going to tap on how to stop seeking others' approval. Now, seeking approval isn't exactly a bad thing, but because you are watching this video, you have identified, patterns in yourself that you might be, habitually agreeing to people's, demands or opinions. You might be, finding yourself unable to say no or being unable to tactfully disagree when you don't want to do something that somebody else wants to do, when you don't agree with what somebody else is saying, but you find it hard to do that. This arises from a fear of rejection. We start to agree with others, and agree more often than disagree, because we are afraid that if we don't, they are going to reject us. We are no longer going to be on their good side, and that could have consequences. They will reject us, will lose their love and approval. So while that might be a very good reason, we also have a duty to stand by ourselves, to to give voice to our own opinions and to live our life on our own terms, even if it means that we have to disagree with a few people some of the time. So now, what I wanted to think back to is, how do you know that you have this problem? That how do you know that you seek others' approval more often than you would like? You might think that whenever you speak to people, you find yourself agreeing to them more often than you would like. You do activities, you do things so that others will approve of you, even if you don't want to do them. So, and this has become such a habit that it happens almost automatically without you even thinking about it. So in this tapping, we are going to calm the spheres, and we are going to give voice to our inner intelligence that tells us to tactfully disagree with somebody, to do things that you think are right, not just because somebody else is doing them or somebody else might like you more if you did them. So we start with tapping on the side of the hand. And we do this to release any hidden resistance we may have to getting rid of the problem. So you can repeat after me, you can repeat my words, or you can just remain silent and tap along with me. The words that I'm going to be speaking are so that you can maintain your focus on the matter that we're tapping about, which is to stop seeking approval in this case. And it will be good if while tapping you can bring your mind to any such incidents that have told you that you seek people's approval, like you're reminded of talking to a friend who you almost always habitually naturally seem to agree to, whenever you are speaking, or maybe somebody, an authority figure, you almost always end up doing things to please them. So just keep those things in mind, because the more you keep your focus on the problem that you're tapping about, the quicker and better results you are going to achieve with tapping. Even though I do and say things to seek others' approval, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Even though I habitually seek others' approval and say yes to things even when I shouldn't, and I can't control this habit, I deeply and completely love, accept, and honor myself. Even though I'm afraid of falling on someone's bad side if I don't agree with them, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Now, with that out of the way, we'll go to the tapping points, starting with the eyebrow point. So simply follow along. I seek others' approval. It's important to me that they approve of my actions. So I agree with theirs. They'll reject me if I don't. They'll think I think so differently from them. I can't be any good. By agreeing with them, I build an instant rapport. Our relationships deepen. It just feels nice when everybody is on the same page. Disagreement leads to disapproval. Disapproval leads to rejection. I don't like being rejected. I'm a good person. I want others to know that. It's hard for me to say no. It's hard for me to disagree. What will they think of me? I know I don't like it if somebody disagrees with me. I don't want others to feel bad because of my disagreement with them.